Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable microphone in screen recording on iOS 26. To enable microphone in screen recording, just slide down from the right top part of your screen, then find screen recording button, which I don't have, so I'm gonna add it by clicking on plus in top left corner, then add control at the bottom and select screen recording. Now it's added. Feel free to also move it around or resize it if you wish. Once I exit the edit button option by clicking on anywhere on the free space in the control center. Now I can simply click on the press and hold on the voice on the screen recording. Now I can enable or disable the microphone. If it's disabled, then it'll only record the audio from the system if there's any audio being played, and if it's enabled, then it'll both record the audio from the system and your microphone, so you can speak while you're recording the screen. Now once that's enabled, feel free to just click on the screen recording button. In 3 seconds it'll start recording, and once you want to finish, just click on it again and it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.